Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my A-10 right here. It's a pretty simple model. It's from a 8x8 grid, as you can tell here, maybe some of you. So yeah, first you need a square sheet of paper. I'm playing that too hard. And you want to make a 8x8 grid, okay? So first you want to fold it in half, like so. And you want to unfold that. Then you want to fold the other side in half. Okay, like so. Then you want to unfold that as well. And then you want to bring all the edges to the center line 2 times, okay? So first, like this, okay? And then again, like so, okay? So you want to do that for the rest of the side, okay? So move on to the next side, fold on to the center line, like so, and again, like this, okay? And the next side, fold up to the center line, like this, and again, like so. Then finally, last side, fold this edge to the center line, like so. And once again to the center line, okay? Then you want to unfold all that, okay? And now you want to fold this up like a fan, okay? So you see all the crease line that we just folded. You're going to follow that crease line and fold a little fan, okay? Then move on to the next, and so on. Okay. I don't think it matters which side you fold it on, but yeah, try to do it the side that I'm doing so it doesn't get confusing. But I don't think it matters which side it's on. Is it W or M's, like that? So but I usually like to have the edges up, so let's start with that, okay? Make sure the edge is up, and then you're going to make a fan going the other way, but you're going to leave at one point you're going to leave this middle part open for the cockpit, okay? So fold the first crease line right here, okay? Then fold up the corners, so, and fold the second crease line right here. See that crease line right there? Fold that second crease line. And now you're going to fold, you're not going to fold the center portion, okay? And you're going to fold down these 2 corners, okay? So you see these 2 squares in the middle? Like a paper airplane, you're going to fold these 2 squares diagonally in half. One going this way to the middle, the other way going that way. Same thing on the corners, right? These 2 squares on the side. One already have a crease line on it, going that way, and the other one going right onto this piece here. Of course, same on that side. Okay, so pinch the corners and try to get that all lined up. Okay, just like that. And now spin it over to the back side right here, and you're just going to fold this one middle corner down. Okay, so if you look right here, of course make sure the edge is facing up. Okay, same way as I'm holding, and you see that center corner right there. So there's this thing, this, and there's a center. You're gonna fold that center corner down, okay? Fold that down and make sure everything is lined up and well, like so, okay? Then fold it back for now, and now you're gonna fold right around the middle, so the third square. So here's the first square right here, the second square, and the third right there, and the crease line in front here. Okay, so if you look right here, see that crease line, the center crease line, gonna kind of fold that down. Okay, so here is the third square, and fold and push that all the way down like that. Okay, kind of fold the rest of the paper down. Make sure everything is lined up with the squares, the grid, and kind of fold that down. Okay, so here's the engine. Fold this back, fold these two back as well. Then you're going to fold this whole thing in half. Okay, it's going to be pretty thick fold, so you're going to kind of push down on it pretty well. Okay, so fold that in half. Okay, okay, when you have it there, you see the first layer right here, the long piece. You're gonna fold it right around this crease line. Okay, so here is the first square and the second square right there, and that crease line right behind the engine. Okay, there might be a little cut there, I just had to sneeze. So yeah, right behind the engine portion here. Okay, hold that down. Okay, same thing on the other side. Try to match it with the other wing. Fold that out. Like so. Okay, so the center crease line should be facing forward on this side, and where the center crease line is, the crease line should be facing backwards. It's going to be kind of not matching because this whole thing is folded in half. Okay, and do the same thing on the engine part. Okay, fold that out. Same thing on this side. And then the tail portion, you're gonna open that all the way out. Okay, then you're gonna fold this whole thing in half and kind of tuck that in there. Try to center it kind of in the middle best you can. Okay, and now I'm gonna push in these corners right here in front to make a little water bomb base for the tail. So push that corner in. Okay, push the other corner in. Then you're gonna fold in the bottom corner. So open up the pocket and fold the corner right inside. Same thing on this side as well. Okay, and now you see the little triangles on the wings. You're gonna fold them inside, of course. So you want to open up this pocket right here. If you want, you can kind of pre-crease it to see where it is. Unfold. Then you want to open up that pocket right there and fold that triangle right inside. Okay, same thing on this side as well. You can crease it first if you want. Unfold, open up that pocket and fold that triangle right inside. Okay, and if you see the wing, you want to fold that front edge in just a little bit. Same thing on the other wing as well. Okay, then you want to fold that front portion in half. It's going to be a little thick as well. See, fold it in half. Okay, then you want to lift up that corner, that top corner, to make the cockpit. Okay, and for the engine, you're gonna just zigzag fold them, so fold it up just like that. Fold the other one up. And then fold that portion that's sticking out in half. Okay, a little bit, yeah, just like that. So you see this like square portion, you're gonna fold that in half. A little hard to see. Yeah. And here is a A-10. So yeah, thank you for watching. Check out my other video and please consider subscribing as well. So yeah, have a nice day.